2 minutes. I'm going to pause donations for now. Oh my God, guys. Oh my God, we have 2 minutes left. This is a candid event. Make sure you say I was here in the chat so you can come back to this moment. Wait. Does it happen to PCs? Ah! Ah! This is a test of the National Wireless Emergency Alert System. The purpose is to maintain and improve alert and warning capabilities of the federal, local, and tribal and territory levels, and to evaluate the nation's public alert and warning capabilities. No action is required by the public. Ladies and gentlemen, we survived! We did it, boys! We lived through the noise.